for us at the asphalt plant, pretty much everything's hot. There's a loader that's going around. There's trucks. I don't know. There's probably 1,000 different ways to die, and so it's nice to be able to give people the ability to kind of come visit the site with like without all of the other distractions and without all the other hazards and risks that they might run into. And it just kind of lets you focus on the either the content or what you're trying to actually present to them without being on site and trying to show it to them. And in their mind, there's just like so much going on, from being at a new location, and yeah, all the equipment going around, the noises, yeah, everything they're seeing. It kind of helps them like just focus on what you're trying to present to them. So yeah, it's kind of neat. Give them that ability to learn about the site, and then when they're actually out there, it's not like they haven't been there sort of in the past. Kind of like if you were to use like Google Street View of a place you're planning to go, you kind of feel like you've been there already. Um, rather than showing up and not knowing like, oh, where to park or what you're actually looking for, and that type of thing. It's just kind of a nice way to get people to a site without having to pay for them to get there and without all the risks associated with coming on site. And